And today is day 36. We want to complete a data modeling part. I will be trying to learn all about data modeling, that is creating star schema and snowflake schema, and try to build new tables from existing tables to build a complete data model prior to data analysis. So without further ado, let's get back to learning. So I'll just read the context actually, then follow the instructions to answer and solve the challenge. So that's how simple it is. So in this previous chapter, you've learned how to create a new composite key for the geography dimension by merging 3 columns in Power Query. So now we also create a composite key through DAX. You will use the 2 different tables in this exercise. In one, you will compute a custom column in Power Query, and in the other table, you will use the DAX to create a calculated column. So let's compare which method leads to a better performance. Computed columns created in Power Query or calculated columns created in DAX. Same scenario, but this was done in the Power Query editor, and this is done within the table view here. So the next instruction then says, open the performance analyzer and refresh visuals 2 or 3 times. So I could open the performance. If I click on that, so I'm going to start recording and just refresh. Let's do 1, 2, 3. The first one is this computed column. As it load faster, 167, 168, 176. Did the table with a reference to a calculated column load faster, slower, or the same speed as the table whose geography ID was created in Power Query? Almost the same speed. We say slower